Defending champion, finals, MVP, team captain. You're really collecting titles.
You sound like my agent.
Your agent doesn't look this good.
Fair point.
Win tonight.
That was the plan.
And don't let Jacob get in your head.
Jacob lives in his own head, rent-free.
He hates being second to you.
Then he should try being first.
That's cold. I love that. Come here.
Cameras are everywhere.
Good.
Of course you like it.
Kiss your model girlfriend before you go win another game.
Very humble.
I'm dating the MVP. Humility feels dishonest.
I'll see you after the game.
Go remind Jacob who he isn't.
I'll let the scoreboard do it.
Breaking news from the Earth Basketball Association. Nate Prescott has been taken off the court after a severe right knee injury.
The collision involved Jacob Davis, Prescott's longtime rival since their rookie season. Davis stepped into Prescott's landing space during a drive. Some call it reckless, others believe it was intentional.
Prescott was transported by ambulance. The league says the play is now under review.
What does that mean?
Torn ACL, damaged MCL, meniscus tear, and severe bone bruising.
But he can still play, right?
Not soon. He needs surgery and a long rehab.
Give me the timeline.
Best case, 9 to 12 months before competitive training. Returning to your old level is possible, but not guaranteed.
A year?
Maybe longer.
As long as I recover.
You'll need patience.
Not a problem. Time passes either way.
You'll also lose muscle in the injured leg. Weight gain can happen because your activity will drop sharply.
He's an athlete. He'll manage that.
I'm sure he'll try, but the priority is healing the knee.
Jacob did this.
Maybe.
Maybe?
I'm not wasting energy on him from a hospital bed.
You're too calm.
I'm already injured. Panicking won't fix my ACL.
Hiring? Aren't you tired of hoping the right candidates see your job posts and apply? It's like trying to find a new...
Your therapist called. You missed the morning session.
I moved it to 4. My knee was swollen.
It's always something.
My knee was swollen. Skipping one morning session is better than losing another week.
Don't give me attitude now.
Then don't make recovery sound like laziness.
I'm just tired.
Same.
You don't understand. I'm stuck in this house too.
You go out almost every night.
For work.
With Jacob?
It's a brand partnership.
I know how these partnerships work. It's been weeks.
It's not my fault his team hired the same agency.
You could say no.
I'm not ruining my career because you're uncomfortable.
You're spending time with the man who put me here.
That has not been proven.
You used to say it was obvious.
I was emotional.
Okay.
People move on, Nate.
From what? My injury or your loyalty?
This is exactly what I mean.
What?
You're not the same person anymore.
I had surgery. I'm still recovering. I didn't become someone else.
You know what I mean.
Say it anyway.
You used to be strong, sharp, admired. Everyone looked at you when you walked into a room.
Now I limp.
That's not it.
Okay, go on.
You gained weight. You barely leave the house. You sit here watching games like your life is on pause.
Because right now, it is. Temporarily.
It doesn't feel temporary.
Recovery usually doesn't.
I'm not attracted to this version of you.
Then respect your preference and leave.
What? You're suggesting we break up?
What do you want me to do? Beg on one good knee?
You don't have to say it like that.
I'm being practical.
I have needs too.
I had a need for loyalty. Looks like we both got disappointed.
Jacob understands the world I'm in.
He's also the reason I'm not in mine.
Again, not proven.
You keep saying that like it makes you look better.
I didn't cheat.
I didn't accuse you of cheating.
Then why are you acting betrayed?
Because you found comfort beside the man who caused, then celebrated my fall.
It was work.
Work doesn't require hiding messages.
I hid them because you would react like this.
You hid them because you knew it was wrong.
You make it sound like I only like the lifestyle.
You liked the version of me that came with cameras, trophies, and abs.
That's a disgusting assumption.
You were smiling beside Jacob while I learned how to walk again.
You don't know how lonely the situation has been for me.
I know it's been hard for you.
Then why are you acting like I'm selfish?
Because I'm the one who lost my body, my career, and my normal life at the same time, not you.
I can't do this anymore.
Then don't.
You're not even going to fight for us?
You're long gone. Why bother?
I thought I meant more to you than this.
I loved someone I thought would stay when life got ugly.
You still don't get it. I'm the only reason people still talk about you.
That's generous.
I kept your name alive while you sat here disappearing.
I have nurses, therapists, doctors, chefs, family, and friends helping me recover.
None of them can get you back in the spotlight.
You went to bed every night while other people helped me stand. Don't oversell your role.
You're going to regret pushing away the only person who can keep you relevant.
Get out of my house. These excuses are starting to hurt worse than my knee. I was successful before you, Anna. Don't confuse being beside me with being the reason. Sunglasses at night? Really?
Nate Prescott has completed one of the greatest comebacks in EBA history.
1 year after a knee injury many believed would end his career, Prescott returned to the finals and led his team to another championship. 34 points, 11 assists, and another finals MVP.
In a shocking update, Jacob Davis has been banned from the EBA for life.
Investigators recovered messages proving Davis planned to injure Prescott before the opener. He is now serving time for aggravated assault connected to the play.
Nate Prescott lost a season, rebuilt his body, and returned to the top.
Most people celebrate a championship in Vegas, like your teammates.
It's too loud there.
You're on a yacht.
I like silence, privacy.
Yeah, that's the Natest possible answer.
I earned the silence.
Jacob finally got sentenced?
Yes.
Life ban, prison, sponsors gone. Wild.
Consequences arrived late, but they arrived.
And Anna?
What about her?
She left when you were hurt.
She made her choice.
You don't care?
I care enough to remember. Not enough to look back.
That sounded healthy and insulting.
Growth, brother.
You came.
Don't make it weird.
I missed you.
Jacob.
What?
Nate won the championship.
Don't say his name.
He's acting like an asshole.
What did he do?
I congratulated him. He didn't even reply to my comment on his post, as if he didn't know me.
Stay away from him.
You don't get to tell me that.
Try leaving me and see what happens.
Is that a threat? Like you can do anything to me behind bars?
6 years isn't that long.
You're insane.
I've already lost everything, Anna. Remember that.
I'm leaving.
See you next visit, babe.